Join us as we ride a TERN Vektron S10 up to the side of Mt Kosciuszko, the highest mountain in Australia, and then walk the remaining distance up to the summit. We're riding the TERN Vektron S10, unmodified with just street tyres on it. The ride up from Charlotte's Pass up to Rawson Pass, which is as far as we're allowed to ride the bikes, is about 9 kilometres. It's fairly steep. I found that when I was riding mountain bikes up there, unpowered mountain bikes, it's about an hour and 20 to an hour and 30 to get up there. On e-bikes, it's around 30 minutes or so, sitting at around 18, 19 kilometres an hour. So while we're stopped for just a moment, taking in the beautiful surroundings, I might just take this opportunity to go through some of the features of the TERN Vektron. The TERN Vektron is a standard classic folding bike with electric assistance power. The Vektron S10 is using the Bosch Active Line motor system. It comes standard with the Bosch 400 watt hour battery, which should get you a reasonable distance with the Active Line motor. It's fitted with Schwalbe Big Apple tyres, and you can see the kind of roads we're riding on. It gets a lot more gravelly than this, but these are Kevlar reinforced tyres. They should be able to handle it without a problem. We've got hydraulic disc brakes, rear and on the front. You've got the smaller Bosch controller, just takes up a little bit less room. It's got front and rear lights standard, so that's the front light. And then we've got the back light just there. I'll switch those on, and you switch those on with this controller by pressing the plus button and holding that down. And you see right there's a little indicator that tells you the lights are on. And you should see, there we go, front light's on. And we've got, there it is, a bit hard to see in this light. We've got the rear light on as well. It's sporting a Shimano Deore 10-speed derailleur on the back. We've got a click fix rack and a bungee cord system, which is standard on the bike. You've got a double telescopic seat, so this can accommodate quite short and quite tall riders as well. And you've got multi-adjustment here by releasing those two clamps. You can adjust the handlebar further forward or further back or more upright, depending on how tall you are and your preferred riding position. just arrived up at Rawson Pass. As the sign says, no bikes allowed past that point. We've secured the bikes there. There's a whole bunch of other bikes there. And we're about to follow the path up there to Mt Kosciuszko. To see a video of this trip showing much more of the landscape featuring the Snowy River, Seaman's Hut, the walk to the summit and the view from the top of Mt Kosciuszko, click the link for that video. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. If you would like to see more videos like this one and other videos showcasing form and design, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'm Andrew from Form and Design. Thanks for watching.